Hello everyone, I am going to discuss access modifier in Java. So the access modifier in Java specifies the scope of a field, method or constructor of or class. We can change the access level of field, constructor, method and class by applying the access modifier on it. So basically what is the access modifier in Java? The access modifier is that we can define the scope of a data and the method inside the class. Okay, so there are four type of Java access modifier. So there are four type of access modifier in Java. First is private, default, protected and the public. What is private? The access level of a private modifier is only within the class. It cannot be accessed from outside the class. If suppose I have a class A and in the class A I will define the data and the method, okay, and if I am trying to access outside the class, then I will get compile time error because the scope of the private member is only within the class. I cannot access from outside the class. Okay, in the next slide I will take example so that you will get the clear idea. Second is default. The access level of a default modifier is only within the package. Okay, so within the package it cannot be accessed from outside the package. If you don't specify any class level, it will be default. Okay, so basically what is the difference between private and the default? The scope of the private members inside the class, but the scope of the default member inside the package, within the package. Okay, it cannot be accessed from outside the package. If I am trying to access the outside the package, then I will get the compile time error. Okay, third is protected. The access level of the protected modifier is within the package and outside the package, but only in the child class. Okay, only through the inheritance child class. If you don't make the child class, then it cannot be accessed from the outside the package. Okay, so the access, so the scope of the protected specifier is within the package and outside the package only in the child class. Fourth is public. The access level of the public modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from within the class or outside the class. It can be accessed anywhere within the package or outside the package. So in these slides you can see the example of the private access modifier. The private access modifier is accessible only within the class. So in the example I will take two class A and B. A class contains private data members and the private method. I am accessing these private member outside the class. So in this case I will get compile time error. In the next slide you can see that suppose class A, in the class A I am defining private int data is equal to 40 and private void message. It's a method system.out.println hello Java. Okay, and I am declaring one more class B. Inside the class B there is a main function public static void main. Okay, and I will create the object of class A. If suppose I am trying to print the data of class A, then I will get compile time error. If suppose I am trying to print the method message, then I will get compile time error because these data member and the method are the private of the class A. So I cannot access outside the class. If I am trying to access this member, then I will get compile time error. Second one is default. If you don't use any modifier, then by default you have to take default. Okay, it is treated as default by default. The default modifier is accessible only within the package, not outside the package. If I am trying to print the data in the method outside the package, then I will get compile time error. Okay, so example of the default access modifier I will explain in the next slide. Okay, in that slide I will take the two packages, pack and mypack. We are accessing the class A from outside its package. Since class A is not the public, so it cannot be accessed from outside the package. So here you can see that package 1 pack pack. Okay, and inside the package I will define a class A. I will save this class a.java. Okay, and inside the class A it is a message and in the message I will print hello. Okay, Second package is package mypack. Import pack.star class B. Okay, public static void main. I will create the object of the class A, but here you can see that class A is not declared, so I will take by default is default, but you know the what is the access specifier of the default, only within the package, not outside the package. If I am trying outside the package, then I will get compile time error. Okay, so in the above example, the scope of class A and its method message. Okay, if here I am trying to print the method message data, then I will get compile time error because its method message is default, so it is cannot be accessed from outside the package. Okay, got it. Third is the protected. The protected access modifier is accessible within the package and outside the package, but through inheritance only, means in child class only. If I am trying to print the data outside the child class, then I will get compile time error. Okay, so I will take an example in the next slide. So in that example, I have created the two package, pack and mypack. The A class of pack package is public, so can be accessed from outside the package, but the message method of this package is declared as protected, means it can be accessed from outside the package, but only within the child class I can access. So here in this example you can see that package pack, in the package pack I will declare a class A that is public and the protected method message. So outside the package mypack, it's a another package class B extend A. So here I will create the object of the class B. Using class B object, I can access the method of the class A and it will print the hello. It will print the hello because you know that what the protected access specifier is, that I can access the member of the data within the package or outside the package, but within only child class. It is the only child class. But if suppose I will try to print outside the child class, then I will get compile time error. But here in this case, hello will be print. The fourth is public. The public access modifier is accessible everywhere. It has the widest scope among all other modifiers. It is an example of the public access modifier. Package 1 pack and the package 2 mypack. Okay, in the package 1 pack I am declaring class A and public void message method. It's a method I am declaring inside the class A. It is a public. Okay, and I am printing hello. Okay, in the another package mypack I am declaring one more class B. Okay, so in the class B I am creating an object of the class A. You can see that A object equal to new A, and if I am trying to print the method of the class A, so it will be print. It will not give any compile time error because the scope of the public specifier is that it can be accessed anywhere. Okay, in the same class, outside the same class, within the same package, outside the same package. Done. So